Yeah, it's my 92 Voyager, working on the surface rust. You can see where I got. So it doesn't take too much to get it off. Just got the hose, 320, sanding it, and then I'll go ahead and put some primer on it later. Something stop the rust. Then next year, maybe next year, you can see I've been putting it off for quite a while, doing anything with it. But maybe next year get some epoxy primer on it, some type of paint, something to protect it. Yeah, Chrysler's late 80s, 90s primer's pretty bad. I think GM also, from what I've seen. Early 90s, late 80s-ish. Yeah, the hood's been like that for a while. And the paint, yep. Even waxing it all, you know, just doesn't help everywhere. Yep. So, yeah. And with the sun, of course, and the weather, being outside all the time, obviously, probably pretty nice if it was in the garage all the time, of course. So, anyway, yeah, so, just taking some time. It's not that bad to do it. Yeah, you can see it's already, it's coming up pretty easy. Just a lot of surface. Alright, that's what I'm doing for this morning. Thanks for watching, subscribing. Bye now.